following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, accompanied by the $1 Million Man, Ted DiBiase, from Death Valley, weighing in at 328 pounds, the Maria.
He definitely looks ready for what's ahead of him here tonight, that's for sure.
Yeah, but it looks to me like he still has plenty of energy in that body of his. I wouldn't look too much into this right now.
Do it!
Looking at these two men, I don't think there's going to be anything traditional about this one-on-one matchup.
And this is one of those matches where it's hard to believe we get paid for this. There you go, Cole. There it is, the spear. Game, set, match. This one is over. And Goldberg in the early. It's the spear. Game, set, match. This one is down with the jackhammer. Can you believe what he's withstood?
Now that's a lot of damage.
This guy. To millions of people around the world, Goldberg is a real-life superhero.
I love Sri Lanka and I will sacrifice my life for Sri Lanka. I love Sri Lanka.
Here's your winner and the new WWE Champion, Maria.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Christmas, 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 Christmas.